So guys, welcome back once again. So I created a video on building a sales page, and I told us I have like 3 formats that I'll be recommending to you guys. So we've actually gone through this first format. I made the video a bit long so that we can be able to capture a lot of things. So we walked through all the 16 steps, steps, and we were able to come up with a product sales page that is good enough to sell our product. So now I'll be showing us how to create a product sales page again, following this second format, which I call format 2. So, and in this particular video I won't really be explaining much because I want to believe you've taken your time to watch the video I created for this first format. It is a long enough video for us to watch and capture a lot of details. So there might be one or two things I might be touching down on in this particular video as well, which is the format 2, but I won't really be dwelling on details like I did for the video I made for that explained about navigating through Elementor, and for this other one, creating a sales page or a product sales page, following this format 1. So guys, very quickly I'll be showing us how to create a sales page following this format. So next thing now is going straight into my Elementor page builder, which I already have opened. So we'll be following these steps. The very first step is product picture, which is going to be slide. 2, heading. 3, product descriptions and feature left, product pictures right, price, then a call to action button, which is the WhatsApp button. Then we finally had the order form. In the other video I created for the format 1, I also included some vital things about how to create a order form as well, and some other buttons on our page. So guys, let's jump right into the business of the day. Remember guys, I also told us that whenever we are planning to build a sales page or whatever page we are trying to do, even designing a website, we should at least map out a concept we want to actualize. So what we have on our brain, we should try to put it down either in text or anything. We should just try to put them down. The pictures, let's have them readily available before we start creating the pages or the website design we intend. So, and why did I suggest this? It saves us a lot of time going back and forth, downloading pictures and racking our brain to get texts or to get copies that we're going to type on the website, on whatever page it is we are creating. So if we've done ourselves the favor of creating all these things in form of text, typing them out already, keeping them somewhere either on our documents or notepad, and keeping the pictures inside the folder, it will save us a lot of time while building our product sales page. So I have mine written out already, as you all know me. That's the way I do my own thing. So we'll be following strictly these steps and this text that I've pre-highlighted here. So the first thing here is the product picture slides. So it says for picture slide inside section. So you already know how we add sections. So click here to add your section. Section with a single column would be good, like this. So we can, the next thing is I will have to widen this section, but let me add the pictures first. So how do we add pictures? Drag an element, picture element, drop it here this way. Then you can, okay, it says slide, right? Okay, we are not needing this. This is a single picture element. We need a carousel. Let me remove this and add carousel. You can just type carousel here, image carousel, drop it, then you click on SC style, not style, content actually. So click on it from your media library. If you don't have any pictures uploaded already, you can click on upload, select files, then upload from your computer. So media library, I have some pictures already uploaded, so I'll be selecting these pictures as my slide picture. That's the colors of the bag. Or let me see, maybe I have something else I can choose eventually, something catchy. I'll be selecting this, for picture slide. Let me add this to it, 3. Let me create a gallery, insert gallery this way, so the pictures will load up now. We can see them from this background. So as you can see them, guys, so okay, the pictures were added in the column section. I want them added, let me see, no, I want them added in the edits. Let me delete this way. I want them added in this section parts. Let me even remove this one first. Let me click on section this way. Just follow me, guys. I finally removed the carousel element I added, so I'll be adding the pictures, the slide pictures to the section. So click on section this way, go to style, then you can select from either this, or this. You can actually use video, but I'll be selecting slideshow this way. Then I'll add the pictures. In fact, I'll be using the colors. Let me use the colors. Create new gallery, insert this way. So as you can see, the pictures are there but are tiny. So how do I bolden them up? Come to layout this way, go to no vertical line, go to height, minimum height, then you can increase the height as you want, like this. You can increase the height like this. Let me check the width. No, boxed. It's not full enough. Okay, so that is that for the images. I'll be using this slide pictures like this, so for me to edit this slide picture I added, I'll come to style, go to style, then I can decide to work on the speed, the transition speed. I can say slide left, slide right. I think slide right will be good. Let's see. No, slide left. Duration time, let me see, 1000. That's too fast. Let's say 3000. Transition duration, let me put 1000 so it can fade in like this exactly. as you can see. So background size, let me say content this way. Let me put content. Background position is good that way. So I'll be going back to layout to see if I can make some editing. Okay, this way. Yeah, this way. So these ones you see beside it, these ones, I'll be removing them now. I'll go to style and let me select as, let me see auto. Okay, I think the auto is good. Let me increase the line height a bit. Okay, it's good this way. It's good this way. So I'll be dragging let me see if I can add a heading to it. Like this. Section. Full width. Okay, it should be full width. Okay, I was trying to edit this one. Full width. So let me center line it back like this. Okay, then I would be adding the heading. This is the heading here. Like this. Let me add one more heading like this. Center line. Copy this way. Remember, it all depends on your creativity. So this, I want to edit this, the new resistance. I'll say style. I want to edit the color, the text color. I'll still be adding a background to it, probably blue background. Let me add the background first. Let me add the background first. Okay, let me change the text color. style. Okay. Okay, even the background, I think I want the background for the column, not the heading. Let me copy it, remove, go back to default. So I want the background to be for the column, so I'll click on column like this, go to classic. As you can see, let me copy this, copy. I want to paste the style, as you can see. So the next thing for me now is to change the font for this particular heading. Click on this pen, go to style, click on typography. The default, I think the default is condensed, reboot to condensed. Okay, that's it. So I can change the size here. I think it is good like this. Then this other one, let me change the size to specially designed for you with security in mind. I think this is nice. Okay, let me go to advanced settings. Column, I want to work on the column now. Let me use this, remove. Let me put the color as background overlay so I can fade it out. I hope you know the reason I'm I'm moving the color around. Can you see? So this background overlay allows you to fade out whatever it is you had. If it's picture, you can fade it out, as you can see. As you can see, I'll be fading it out this way. Okay, let me see what I can do to this text. Can I change it to black? Okay. I want a color that can stand out. Paste style. would like to italicize it like this. Italicized like this. These side images, I don't want them to show. Let me click on section, style. Let me see. Okay, I think it has to. Okay, let me still use let me use content first, then let me try to okay, let me widen it more so it can completely go away. Okay, I think it's good this way. Let's see cover. Okay, I think the cover is good. I think the cover is good. Let me see. Okay, that's the column positioning. I want it centered. Let me do. So I'll go further now, guys. Let me add, what's the next thing here? Product description. Okay, let me add colon, inner section with 2 colons. Let me first drag in a section. Okay, with 2 colons like this. Okay, product descriptions. Let me add an heading. I'll just put product description first. Add an heading to it. this, center line it. Let me add margin to it. I already talked about margin, so I'll be talking about margin here. So I'll be adding an image element here. Let me put it here. I'll add an image of the product, then by the other side I would add the product description. Let me put this. Okay, here I'll be adding text editor elements for me to paste, so I can be able to paste the description. Okay, this is the description here. Click on it to edit it. Paste that text. Paste. Okay, you can see it by the side. This is it. So now how do we edit it? Click on edit, go to style, text image, let's say black is good. Now text typography, let's make it popping is good. The size, let's see what the size would look like. This is the size. Let's bolden it a bit. Okay, I think the size made this. Let's reduce the size a bit. Okay. Middle. Let the picture be in the middle. Okay, just follow as I do it, guys. Just follow. So what next? The next thing is I'll be adding another section for the product feature and product feature and picture. There's another section. Then I'll be dropping the inner section, 2-column inner section, this way, just exactly the way it is, like this. I could have just, let me just replicate this, duplicate. I have it duplicated, so this I'll just edit to be product features. Here, let me change it to about the product. About products. This will be product features. Then I'll switch it around. Let me bring this here. Then let me bring this here. Then I'll be removing this particular picture. Delete. Let me add another picture there. Let me add this one. I think this should be good. Let me add this. Yeah, that should be good. I will have to remove this. This is not the text I want to use. Product features. I hope the features are not too much. Let me see. Copy, place as text, paste. These are the features there. These are the features. These are the features. I think let me make them bullet points. No. Let me add. I think I have an icon I can add to it. Add media. Okay. Let me just copy, paste. Copy. Undo. There's a way I can copy this. No, I can't start adding the images. Okay, let me remove as text. Copy, paste. Okay, I removed as text. Paste, 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 paste. Okay, paste, paste. Space, space. So that is that for the features, guys. Let me see what center alignment would look like now. I want it to be by the side. I think I would have to bring this image, this particular image here. Let me bring it here, then I move this other one to the top there. I think it's okay this way. I think it's okay this way. Okay, that is that, guys. I'll be going further. The price. Okay, let me add another structure. I think it's been added already. Price. That will be the heading elements. have to duplicate, center line, center line. Let me change this to regular price. Then I can change this to promo price. So the next thing I want to do is to reduce the font. Like this. Then I will have to strike the regular price. I'll have to strike it out like this. Then the promo price, let me change the color to red. I think this is good. This is good. This is good. What is the next thing? Mode of delivery. I'll be adding the text heading. Let's see. Free delivery nationwide. Free delivery nationwide. For the first 10 order. I think this is good this way. Okay. Let me add an image for the payment on delivery. I want it to be payment on delivery. No. Duplicate. No. Delete. Let me duplicate this. I want the image to be in the middle and not too big. Oh. Okay guys, something is happening. Delete this. Let me add a section. I think this would do the job. Duplicates. 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 So this, no, I think. Okay, let me make use of this middle. I think 3 should be good. 3 should be good. So I'm adding the image you get here. I'm adding it here. Then I'll be adding an image that says pay on delivery. Very quickly. Insert. Can you see? Pay on delivery. Free delivery for the first 10 orders. This is nice. Okay, let me see what next. Call to action. Click here to order via WhatsApp. Then form. Is there any notice I wish to add? No notice. I'll be adding a structure for the form since that is the last thing to do. So how do we add the form? Click on elements, But before I do that, I already have a form. You guys already know how to add form. If you watched the other video I made for the format 1, that's format 1 for building a product sales page, you should by now know how to add a form. But notwithstanding, I'll still show us how to do that. Let me remove this one. Let me add a structure with center wide. This is where I'll be adding the form. Yeah. So, but before then, let me add something here. Kindly fill it. Kindly proceed below to. Okay. Kindly fill the form below too. Let me put proceed with your order. With your order. Center. Let's see how it looks like. It's a bit big. Let's reduce it. Let's say 45. Let's make this one. I'm still gonna add something there anyways. 30. 40. Let me change this one to kindly proceed with your order below. It below with your order. Okay, so the form, I'll be going into my WordPress dashboard now where I have my Ninja form. I'll copy the particular Ninja forms I want to use. So I'm using this particular one, order form. You copy this shortcode this way. I want to believe by now you know how to create a Ninja form, an order form using Ninja Forms plugin. So watch the first video I made for the first formats to follow when building a product sales page. So I'll be adding the form here. So I'll have to come to elements, type shortcodes, drag this shortcode like this. Now paste the code we copied here and apply. You actually won't see the form now until you open in a new tab. There's still something we have to do. We need to add order buttons. So I'll be adding the WhatsApp order button here. I'll be adding a WhatsApp order button here. Click here to order. Via WhatsApp. Let me change it to medium. WhatsApp. Let me add a WhatsApp icon. Okay, icon spacing, let me make it 10. Now go to style, typo, $25 should be good. Let's italicize it. No, italics. So now we need to edit this button. Let me change the color first. Okay, let me edit the button first. Normal text color, let me leave it. Let me change the background color first. Let's change it to WhatsApp green. Now let's change the text color to white. Now that is it. So what next are we doing? Let's make this border solid, and let's make the width 2. Let's add radius of 10. No, 20 should be good. Let's say 30. And let's see, 20 should be good. Okay, box shadow is good. Now color, let's change the color to white. Let me change it to this green. The green is good. So now we need to add an hover effect, so that whenever anybody hovers on the button, it changes color. Text color when they hover on it should be green. Background should be white. Yeah. Border color should be green. Yeah. Let's add border width. Yeah, I think it's good this way. Hey, it's too much now. It's too much. Let's do 2. 2 is good. 2 is good, like this. Now let's add an effect to it. No. Push. No. Grow, like this. It's good this way. I'll be adding one more button, but I won't be going through that stress again. Let me copy and paste here. .50 margin and link Okay, that's 15 minutes. Let's see. Click here to order. Click here to order now. Let's change the button icon to carts. This carts and sats. Now we are changing the color to, let's choose this color, the color we chose for this column here. For the background overlay, this color, copy. So let's change the button background style. Where we have green, just change them to, wherever we have green, we change them to that color. I only copied the color code. Wherever I have green, I'll change them to that color, because I want the color to be universal. As you can see, guys, let me change the animation to pause grow. Can you see it? I think the button should even be bigger than this. So let's update and view the page on another tab. As you can see, guys, this is it. This is it. So let me see if we can add border to this form. I'll click on it like this, in the column. Click on the column like this, go to style, borders, solid border, updates. Can you now see it, guys? So in your own case, you can go further to do some other editing, like changing this about product color, changing the product features, and any other thing you think you want to change. So this is a simple sales page, a simple product sales page, as simple as that, compared to the other one we made. So